Hi, I'm Daphna. I'd like to tell you about my trip to China. Look at China. It has more than 1 million people. Its size is 9.5 million kilometers. But in Israel it has about 8 million people, and its size is 21,000 kilometers. This is Chinese flag. It is red with 4 small stars and 1 big star on the side. Beijing is the capital of China, the Forbidden City. 1 million workers worked for 18 years to build the Forbidden City, the place where the Chinese Caesar sat. Only the royal family could enter to the city. Today is a big museum. Another important place in Beijing is Temple of Heaven. The Temple of Heaven was a place for worship to Caesar of China. The next place is the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall is 6,400 kilometers long. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. A wonderful place in Beijing is Summer Palace. Summer Palace is a garden and is served for the last 4 Chinese Caesars. Guilin. Guilin is a region with the most beautiful views in China. It has mountains and special cliffs. Yangshu. From Guilin you can take a boat down to the Li River to Yangshu. Off the river we can see fishermen in small boats. Longshan. Longshan is raised terraces where the local people grow rice. In Longshan there is a special tribe of women who have long hair. Another reserve in China is the Yellow Mountain. The Yellow Mountain is reserved as a very high mountain which you can climb barefoot or take a cable. But Shanghai is a modern Chinese city, also called Paris of the East. Along of the city there is a river of Huangpu. Write in the comments below what the most beautiful place is.